Hi, welcome to Abhyas Quest, powered by Quest eTech in association with Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. We are going to start with certificate courses in Tally. It will contain 3 courses. Tally courses will have 3 courses in which we are supposed to provide you teaching learning resources with through video lectures, e-books, online assignments, practical. In that, first course will be certificate course in Tally, which will start on 4th December 2021. Duration of the course will be 13 weeks and it will have 5 modules. First module will be accounting in Tally Prime and introduction to Tally Prime. In this, we are going to see how to pass the entries in Tally, basic of accounting, generalizing accounting, how to create a company, how to alter a company, then how to enable GST, how to understand predefined groups in Tally, then how to create a group, how to alter a group, create a ledger, how to alter a ledger and delete a ledger. All this we are going to see in the first module, that is accounting in Tally. Right. In the second module, that is accounting with inventory means stock. We are going to deal with how to create stock entries. In that, we are going to see stock groups, stock category, units of measurement, go down creation, defining different rates of stock, etc. In the next unit is the next module is voucher entries, in which we are going to see how purchase entry is going to take place, how we are going to go for sales entry, payment entries, contra entries, all the 7 types of journal entries that can be posted in voucher entries will be learned under your third module. In the fourth module, we are going to learn how to go for billing, actual billing and billed quantities. In that, we are going to record our transactions related to purchase, transactions related to sale, and need to see the summary of your stock or trial balance, you can say that. In the last unit, that is your security control, how to secure our data, is how to go for Tally audit. When we need to take backup, how to take the backup, how to restore the data will be studied in our fifth module, that is security control. With this, our certificate course will end. In the second course, that is diploma course in Tally. Again, it will start on the same day, that is 4th December. Duration will be 13 weeks. It will contain 4 modules. First module will be related to payroll system. Payroll system, we are going to see how this salary is been generated for the employees working in the organization. In this, we are going to see different points, that is how employee group is created, how employee is created, how their attendance is recorded, under which heads they are going to get the payments, and how the payroll voucher is generated will be seen in our first module. In the second module, we are going to see how invoices are printed, means the bills, purchase bill and sales bill, which we already learned in a Tally course, certificate course, that invoices how we are supposed to print. In the next module, that is third module, will be related to tax deducted at source, how tax is deducted at different points when you are doing services, at the point when you are getting the salary, how this particular tax is deducted. Different sources are there, so different tax rates are there at which it has been deducted. So that point you are going to see in the module number 3rd. In module number 4th, we are going to start with GST with respect to services. When services are given by the lawyer or doctor or any professional person, how GST is levied by such person, in that how the bills are generated, that will be learned in our 4th module, that is getting started with GST. With this, our diploma course is going to end. In the next course, that is advanced diploma course in Excel for marketing and research analysis. The same course will again commence from 4th December 2021. Duration will be 13 weeks. In this, there are going to be 5 modules. The first one will be Introduction to Excel. In this module, first, Introduction to Excel, we are going to learn about the environment of Excel, different features that is related to spreadsheet, how to select the content, how we are going to go for different alignments, and all this will be learned in intro. Basic concepts of Excel will be learned in your first module. In the second module, which is related to functions, we are going to learn different functions, that is date function, logical functions, text functions, and many more. In the next module, that is module number 3rd, it is related with statistical functions and toolpacks. Statistical functions means your average, median, mode. Then tool packs will consist of your all the statistical tool pack that are related with research like correlation, regression, ANOVA, F-test, T-test, etc. That will be learned in our third module. In the fourth module, we are going to learn about charts. Different sort of charts are available. 3D charts are there, pie charts are there, okay, 360 charts are there, line chart is there. That are going to be learned in module 4th. In the 5th module, that is pivot table, we'll learn how to generate this pivot tables. So this all are the 5 modules in your advanced diploma course in Excel. With this, we are going to end with the third course, that is advanced diploma. For more information, you need to visit our website, that is www.abhyasquest, and subscribe to Abhyas Quest official YouTube channel. That's all. Thank you. Let's begin.